In this video, I'll show you how to host a Zoom meeting. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're going to do is to open up the Zoom app on our phone or on our computer. You can use whichever. If you don't have it installed yet, just go to the Zoom website and download the app. Once you open up the Zoom app, as you can see, we're going to have three options. The first one is to join a meeting. This is going to work when we already have a meetings link. Then you have two options to sign up. You need to do this in case you don't have an account yet, or to sign in if you already have an account. So go ahead and create your account in case you don't have one, or simply sign in. Once you log in, this is going to be the dashboard that you're going to see. Here, you're going to have a calendar that will show you all the meetings that you have scheduled for the day. But since we're creating a new one, what we're going to do is go where it says new meeting, and we're going to select this little arrow that's pointing down. Here, you will select use my personal meeting ID. Then you're going to click on new meeting. Here, it's going to ask you what audio you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select join with my computer audio. And then right here at the bottom left, you're going to see the option to start your video. To invite people to your meeting, what you're going to do is select participants. And here you will have different options. You can copy an invite link, which will only have your meetings link, or you can copy an invitation, which will have the meeting's time and date. If you need to find the meeting passcode, you will find it right here as well. So go ahead and copy your invitation, and then we're going to paste it and send it to the person that we want to join our meeting. To manage your meeting, go ahead and use the controls that you will see at the bottom. So I'm going to click on host tools, and here you will see all the different options that you can enable since you are the host of the meeting. Here you will have the option to lock the meeting, to create a waiting room, which will mean that you are the person that will allow each participant to join the meeting. You can also hide profile pictures in case you want to do that. And here is where you can allow the participants to either share their screen, to chat, to change their name, to unmute themselves, to start a video, to share a Zoom document, and there are different options that you can enable or disable. If you want to mute yourself, you simply have to click on audio, and this will automatically mute your microphone. And to access the chat, simply select the chat icon at the bottom, and you can type whatever it is that you want to add to the chat. If you wish to record your meeting, you can also do that by clicking on more, then selecting record, and this will start recording your meeting. After your meeting is over, go ahead and select end meeting for all, and this will stop your meeting. Hope that helps.